Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language courses we offer. As some of you may know, in the years BC, before COVID, we at Lexical Lab used to run summer schools here in North London, offering teacher development and language development courses for teachers. And sadly, in 2020 and in 2021, we had to cancel these courses because of COVID restrictions. I was asked in class recently by one of my students whether or not we'd be running a summer school next year in 2022. And at the moment we're planning to, but we need to see what COVID restrictions are going to be like in the new year. We have to wait and see which vaccines are recognised by the British government and so on. Basically, up to a point we have to play it by ear. Anyway, my student asked me, and I explained what I've just explained to you, and said, it is looking more likely, but I can't promise that we're going to be running the courses. But hey, here's hoping. We often just say, here's hoping, to show that we hope something will happen. So in this case, I can't guarantee we're going to be able to run the courses, but here's hoping. The meaning is, but I hope we will be able to run the courses. In the same way, you might be watching the current corruption scandals here in the UK. I was discussing it with my wife last night and she said, this is big, this story. This is just running and running. It's going to keep on running, this story. I think the corruption scandal could bring this government down. It could be the end of Boris Johnson. Well, here's hoping, I replied. I hope that what you've just said is true. We also sometimes use it before a sentence. So, I might be talking to friends and they tell me, we're planning to go camping next weekend. Oh, you're going camping in November. You're optimistic. Here's hoping the weather's okay. Here's hoping it doesn't rain. Here's hoping it continues to be mild. So again, in this instance, it just means, well, I hope that, but we often just say, here's hoping. So if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Please do share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use here's hoping. Here's hoping you've enjoyed the video.